Welcome. 8th Standard Science, Part 1, Chapter 1, Crop Production and Management, 2025-2026 Karnataka State Board Syllabus, Question Answer. Exercises. First main, select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a space at a place is called crop. The first step before growing crops is preparation of the soil. C. Damaged seeds would float on the top of water. D. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil are essential. Second main, match items in a column A with those in the column B. 1. Kharif crops E. Paddy and maize. 2. Rabi crops wheat, gram, P. Third one, chemical fertilizers B. Urea and superphosphate. Fourth, organic manure, animal excreta, cow dung, urine, and plant waste. Third question, give two examples of each. A. Kharif crop. B. Rabi crop. A. Kharif crop grown in rainy season, June to October. Paddy, maize. B. Rabi crop grown in winter season, November to April. Wheat, gram. Fourth question, write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. First one, preparation of soil. The first step in farming is preparation of soil. The soil is loosened and turned with the help of plough. This allows roots to go deep into the soil and helps them to get enough air and water. Preparation of soil also mixes nutrients and organic matter evenly, which improves crop growth. B. Sowing. Sowing is the process of placing seeds in the soil. Healthy and good quality seeds are chosen for better yield. Farmers use traditional tools or modern seed drills for sowing. Proper spacing between seeds is important so that each plant gets enough sunlight, water, and nutrients to grow well. C. Weeding. Weeding means removing unwanted plants called weeds from crop fields. Weeds compete with the main crop for water, sunlight, and nutrients and can reduce the harvest. Farmers remove weeds either by hand using tools like a kurfi or by spraying chemicals called weedicides. D. Threshing. Threshing is process of separating grains from harvested crop. Traditionally, this was done by beating the harvested plants on the ground. Nowadays, machines like threshers or combine harvesters are used, which save time and effort. Threshing makes the grains ready for further cleaning and storage. Fifth question, explain how fertilizers are different from manure. Difference between fertilizers and manure. Source, fertilizers, man-made chemicals prepared in factories. Manure, natural substance made from decomposed plant and animal waste. Nutrient content, fertilizers rich in specific nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Manure contains less nutrients but improves soil fertility over time. Effect on soil. Fertilizers give quick results, but excessive use can harm the soil and reduce its fertility. Manure improves soil texture, water holding capacity, and makes it fertile in the long run. Cost. Fertilizers expensive, manure cheaper and easy available. Sixth question, what is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. What is irrigation? Irrigation is the process of supplying water to crops at regular intervals to help them grow properly. Since rainfall is not always sufficient, farmers use irrigation to provide water from sources like wells, canals, rivers, ponds, and tube wells. Two methods of irrigation which conserve water. One is sprinkler system. In this method, pipes with rotating nozzles are fixed in the field Water is sprayed like rainfall over the crops. It is useful for sandy soil and uneven land, saves water by reducing wastage. Second, drip system. In this method, water falls drop by drop directly at the roots of the plants through pipes. This it is the best method for regions where water is scarce, saves a lot of water, and prevents weeds from growing. Seventh, if wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, rainy season, wheat is a rabi crop. It grows well in the winter season, cool temperature, less moisture. The Kharif season, June to October, is hot and rainy, which is not suitable for wheat. Problems: if sown in the Kharif season, excess rainwater will damage the seeds. High temperature and humidity may spoil germination. Weeds and pests will grow faster in rainy season, harming the wheat crop. The crop yield will be very poor or may even fail completely. Eighth question. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. How soil gets affected by continuous plantation of crops. When the same field is used continuously for growing crops, the plants keep absorbing nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium from the soil. Over time, the soil loses its fertility because the nutrients are not replenished. Such soil becomes less productive and crops do not grow well. Continuous cropping also makes the soil hard and dry, reducing its ability to hold water. It may even lead to pest and weed problems since the same type of crop is grown again and again. Ninth question: what are weeds? How can we control them? Weeds are unwanted plants that grow along with the main crop in a field. They compete with crops for water, sunlight, space, and nutrients. Examples: Amaranthus, Cheflower, Xanthium, Parthenium, Congress grass. How can we control weeds? Manual method: removing weeds by hand or with the simple tools like kurfi, hand hoe, done before the weeds produce seeds. Mechanical method: using machines or implements like harrow or tiller to uproot weeds. Chemical method: spraying special chemicals called weedicides that kill weeds but not the harm crops. Do not harm crops. Preventive measures: crop rotation, proper sowing, and timely irrigation also reduce weed growth. 10th question: arrange the following boxes in proper order to make a flowchart of the sugarcane crop production. First one is preparation, proofing, then sowing, then manuring, then irrigation, then harvest, then sugar factory. 11th question: complete the following word puzzle with the help of the clues given below. This is filled one. You can copy from this. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.